Dati ayoko masyado yung nasa bahay lang ako lagi. Pero ngayon... Ouch! Do you see the difference? Nakahanap ako ng bagong habit to make me feel comfortable and happy in the simplest ways. I am happy that I'm eating healthy. I'm happy that I'm getting enough exercise without feeling pressured. Dami nito, 3 oranges ata to. I'm happy that... Uy, sobrang relaxing, promise. Tingnan nyo, nakasmile siya. Every time that I feel like I'm gonna get a headache or dizziness, itong pastel inhaler really helps a lot. Sa mga live ko, di na ako natigil kakaganto. You're really uncomfortable to work or even be productive. Pag nahihilo ka, may muscle pain ka. My favorite is this one, the mango flavor. Smile! Yung sa baba actually, may essential oil yan. Very pigmented. Pwede siya ilagay sa temple. Wait lang, baka maubos. Kasalanan mo pa. Actually, I have a combo to double the relief. Ito, pastel din siya. For sore muscles, itchy skin. Ganyan. Sarap din sa tulog nito. Regala mo yan sa Valentine's. Matutuwa yung pagbibigyan mo talaga. Masyado na ako na-relax. Ayoko na tapusin yung video. You see all these things. Very simple to do. Put the effect. Ang comfortable, ang light, ang happy. What are the things that you do to feel happy?